Great Northern's modular aluminum stairs are lightweight, durable, and designed for fast, straightforward assembly. The modular design lets you add or remove sections, allowing the stairs to fit your exact height, slope, and access needs. Built from corrosion-resistant aluminum, they're made to handle harsh waterfront conditions while providing dependable stability season after season. Whether you're navigating a steep shoreline, hillside, dock system, or uneven terrain, Great Northern modular stairs offer a practical and reliable solution, helping make every trip to the water feel more secure and accessible. Great Northern modular stairs, reliable access wherever you need it.